Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you a legato lick by John Petrucci. So I usually teach that song to my students, and the song name is In the Name of God. John Petrucci playing that song with the C-tuned guitar, but I will play with the standard tuning for the sake of practice. As you know, John Petrucci is known with his alternate picking, but trust me, this is an amazing legato unison. So you can practice and improve your legato technique with this one. This lick is Phrygian major. So if you don't know what is Phrygian major, you can look at harmonic minor modes. This is the fifth mode of harmonic minor. We have root, flat 2, third, 4, 5, flat 6 and flat 7. Before starting to practice, please watch my The Biggest Mistakes Guitarists Make video. In that video, I'm showing how you can practice efficiently and get better in a limited time. So let's get started. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful to improve your legato technique. I have lots of lesson videos in my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it. And I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers guys, bye.